Hey, so if your results look low quality in Clipdrop, yeah, like blurry images, pixelated output, or washed out colors, that can be really frustrating. In this full guide, I'll show you how to fix it step by step. First, make sure you're uploading high resolution images. Low quality inputs always produce low quality outputs. Next, yeah, don't use heavily compressed images. Too much compression reduces detail and sharpness. Now, good lighting helps AI generate better results. Dark or shadowy images often look worse after processing. Yeah, complex or messy backgrounds can reduce output quality. I mean, clean backgrounds give better results. Now, make sure you're using the right tool mode in Clipdrop. Wrong settings can reduce quality. Yeah, resizing images after download can make them look blurry. Always download in the correct size first. Now, run the tool again if the output looks bad. AI results can vary between attempts. Yeah, Chrome, Firefox, or Edge work best. Unsupported browsers can affect rendering quality if nothing works. Unstable internet can affect processing quality. Interrupted uploads can reduce output clarity. So yeah, that's how you fix Clipdrop image quality issues. Most of the time, it's input resolution, lighting, or compression problems. Try these steps, and your results should look much better. Thanks for watching.